Hey guys, welcome to Filson Filter channel. In this video, we'll walk you through how to properly assemble a sparkler filter, step by step. Before that, let's quickly look at how it works. Inside the housing, the shell and the bottom plate form a sealed internal chamber. Liquid to be filtered enters through the inlet at the bottom plate. Then, the liquid flows into the chamber by small openings around each support frame. Finally, clean liquid flows out through the holes located on the center flange of perforated plates. Now, a few important checks to do. First, take a look at each filter plate and frame. Make sure everything is in good condition, no damaged perforations, no defective welds, and no deformation. These details are important for proper sealing. Next, check the filter membranes. They should be clean, intact, and free from tears, folds, or wrinkles. After inspections, wipe the filter housing, plates, and frames with 75% ethanol. Then rinse all components twice using process-approved cleaning water. Let's start the assembly. Place the bottom frame into position. Lay the filter membrane on top with the rough surface facing upward, and the perforated plate. Then place another membrane with the rough surface facing downward. Special attention here that each perforated plate is paired with two filter membranes, and the rough surfaces of each membrane must always face the plate. Support frame, membrane, plate, membrane, next frame. Repeat the same steps until all components are installed in this order. Once everything is stacked correctly, secure the central fixing bar and 4 fixing bars around the housing. Install the top cover and tighten the bolts evenly. After operation, the filter can be disassembled for cleaning. Remove the plates and frames carefully and soak them in the cleaning solution specified by your process. Use a flat brush to remove any remaining filter cake. After that, wipe the components with 75% ethanol, rinse twice with purified water, and allow them to dry before reuse or storage. Just a few final reminders for you. Thank you for watching. See you next update.